Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to deposit amount in 10-bit account. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for 10-bit. And let's get into this and make sure you are logged into it. After that, we get into this interface like this. Over here, we can see this deposit option. Simply tap on that. And here we need to enter our card number. You can choose your payment method from here as well. And once you're done, simply click on and enter your card number here. Enter the expiry date as well. Here we need to enter the CVV2 number as well, which is a 4-digit. After that, if you have any promo code, simply click on this and you can enter your promo code here. And if you want the change billing details, simply click on this and you need to enter all of the details here. Now simply select the amount here and finally click on deposit. After that, your deposit will finally be done. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.